My name is Kara Gupta, and I am a sophomore at Woodside High School. My app is called FireSafety. I was inspired to build this app because of a news story that I read that broke my heart. There was a story of a family who spotted a wildfire approaching their house and hastily got into two cars to attempt at escaping. The first car survived. The people in the second car were forced to hide in their pool, and that family lost a loving grandmother, mother, and wife. With just a few extra seconds, that car might have had enough time to escape. And that's what my app attempts to provide, those few life-saving seconds. The purpose of the Fire Safety app is to provide a community-sourced fire warning system to help save lives by alerting neighbors of a nearby fire. It works the same way as Waze works for traffic. The primary purpose is for community members to create a virtual neighborhood fire watch system and to alert each other immediately. You can also say if where you are currently at seems to be relatively safe so that people know you don't need help. You are simply reporting the presence of a fire. Conversely, you can also indicate that you do need help. In future versions, there will be a feature where the user can also notify 911 directly from the app, or offer refuge to people if their house is safe. Since I live in a high-risk area, I felt that this app would be helpful for my family and community. The first screen that you will be given is a login screen. Well, you log in, and the first question it asks you is if there is a fire that you want to report. So you would hit yes, and when you hit yes, it'll take you to a clean map with one pin that you're allowed to drag around and drop in a certain area, which would be your guesstimate to what fire you have spotted is. Once you drop it, it'll ask you if there's what you want to add the fire, and you can say yes, and then go back to the screen with current fires, and your new fire will have been added to that screen. I wrote this application using React Native Framework, which is a JavaScript framework. This code launches the app login screen. Then it goes to the main map view where you are allowed to report the presence of a fire. And this code allows you to drag around and drop a pin on the map to where exactly the fire could be occurring. And this is what the notification looks like on the neighbor user's cell phone. I hope that you find this app useful, and thank you for watching.